Justice Kennedy devoted his career to securing liberty. I am deeply honored to be nominated to fill his seat on the Supreme Court.
If Judge Kavanaugh is seated on the Supreme Court bench, 5 men will be empowered to overturn Roe v. Wade.
It will affect women all across this nation.
He has no commitment to preserving health care for women across this country.
He is trying to rig a Supreme Court such that it will strike down protections for people with pre-existing conditions.
And one of the key provisions of that litmus test was to find a judge who they were confident would overturn the Affordable Care Act, including protections for people with pre-existing conditions.
Kavanaugh's record has shown consistently that given a choice between corporations and consumers, he's a reliable ally of big business, time and time again.
You look at his rulings on consumer issues. This judge ruled that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau that was set up to protect you, that was unconstitutional.
If you care about common sense gun violence protection, Judge Kavanaugh is your worst nightmare.
He has written troubling decisions rejecting something 90% of Americans want, common sense gun laws.
Just in the nick of time, the president found a Supreme Court nominee who's on record saying the president should not be distracted with criminal investigations and prosecutions while he's in office.
And he's clearly said in his writing he has an expansionist view of presidential power in line with attempts that could be made to undermine this investigation.
Judge Kavanaugh understands that in the United States of America, judges are not unelected super legislators whom we select for their personal views or policy preferences.